The pizza casserole I'm about to show you how to make is absolutely my kids' favorite. What we're going to do is we're going to start with 16 ounces of rotini noodles, and you can use whatever kind you want. Whole grain, regular, whatever your family likes to use. There's not a particular brand that you need to use. Then I use 3.5 cups of pizza sauce, and this is my homemade pizza sauce. I'll include a recipe link in case you want to use this, but you can use your favorite pizza sauce. When I make my homemade pizza sauce, I often make a double or triple batch. That way I have extra to use for things like this. Now, I add some of my family's favorite pizza ingredients. My youngest son loves bell pepper and onion. And then I sneak in some mushrooms, because mushrooms are high in vitamin D, and they will eat mushrooms in a pizza casserole. If your kids won't or your husband won't, just leave it out. Okay, so we're gonna start stirring this in a little bit. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my 2.5 cups of water. And so this water is going to be completely absorbed by the noodles, and they are going to cook while your casserole is cooking. So now we're just going to get these ingredients completely incorporated, and you can do whatever you want as far as what your family's favorites are. Maybe you want to add sausage to this. Maybe you want to add olives. I'm going to be making a pepperoni version. I did not grease this pan beforehand. If I had greased it, I just would have been stirring any of the oil right into the other ingredients. So there's no reason to grease the pan. It usually isn't too sticky. Now that I've had that all incorporated, what I'm going to do is I'm going to top it with cheese. I like to do a mix of mozzarella. I do 2-to-1 of mozzarella and cheddar. You can use whatever your family's favorite pizza cheeses are. So on this I have 1 cup of mozzarella, and then I have half a cup of cheddar, a mild cheddar. Okay, so now I'm just going to top with some pepperonis on top. I think I use about 24. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven, and I'll pull it out in 30 minutes and I'll show you what it looks like. I almost forgot to tell you, you have to put foil on before you put it in the oven. So I'm going to put some foil on, put it in the oven, and we'll be back and show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, the pizza casserole is out of the oven. Let me pull the top off. Woo, and it's still bubbling. So what we're going to do is we're just going to let it sit for about 5 minutes so that any extra liquids that are in there will be fully absorbed by the pasta. I'll show you what it looks like in just a couple minutes when we cut a slice. All right, I am ready to serve this pizza casserole to my family. I hope your family enjoys it as much as my kids do. Don't forget, you can click on the links below and you will find a printable recipe for this pizza casserole. There's also a link for the pizza sauce that I use in this casserole. Don't forget, you need to use a double batch of the pizza sauce recipe in here. If you're not already, click that subscribe button and follow me along for my YouTube videos. And if you click the bell, you'll get a notification the next time I post one of my cooking videos. Have a great day, guys.